Hello, welcome back, I guess. So, diva.14fjdb has asked me to give some tips about using this vintage machine. In this video, I'm gonna show you the basics of using this machine and also make something, DIY something basically. That something is this. I had this lace from like 3-4 months. I used this in one of my project, and the leftover I still not decided how do I use it until I came across some inspiration on my Pinterest and I loved it so much. I was like, I'm gonna recreate this. I don't have enough lace, so I will use some muslin as well. Let's start it. Okay, so I'm gonna remove all these for now. So the thread which goes down, this one, this is called bobbin, and this is a bobbin holder. So you place this in here, and then you'll see there's a gap kind of thing. You have to take your thread, put it out like this. Now the other side, it has a lock or opening kind of situation. By this, you will lock it inside in here. For this, you need your mom's help. Just ask her to help you. Just place it and lock it. This situation is done. Now for this thread, this goes here or even here if you want to keep, wherever. And it goes in here first, and then there is a circular thing. Just pass it through. And there's a hole in here. Pass through this hole. Then this hook. There's this hook. Pass it through. And now you will pass it through the needle. Now this thing is done. Now comes a little technical or maybe a difficult part, which is not really difficult if you understand it nicely. Let me zoom in more for you. Alright, now what you need is you want to take this thread above from this hole. So you will hold this thread, and this wheel, you will make your needle go down, and then it will come up and you will just pull it. Now the thread is up. By the help of this thread, you will take the other thread up, and now you're ready to stitch. Just close this thing, and I think, yeah, this is pretty much it. Now that we're done with this, I'm gonna cut the pattern for a little scarf. The scarf is in triangle, so I think we need a triangle kind of situation in here. So I'm gonna just cut a rough triangle, roughly a triangle, wait, or maybe I can just do this. This part is enough for it. Keep it. Okay, the longer you want your scarf, keep the two sides of the triangle more. What do you call it? Which triangle is it? Got it, guys. One is equilateral, in which all sides are equal. Second is isosceles, in which two sides are equal. And then third one is scalene, in which no side is equal. Just for information, I had maths. Still, I don't remember. Okay, so yeah, we need to make it an isosceles triangle in which two sides will be bigger than the other side. Okay, so this much is fine, I think. Need to cut it. How do I make it? Oh no, this is looking fine. I'm gonna cut it. And we have this. We will attach these in here. This does not look bad at all. Okay, this is for our strings. which will go here and here. I'm gonna stitch these first. Okay, I'm gonna show you how to stitch the strings like this and this 2 times, and you'll place it below the needle, and there's this thing you'll have to put it down like this and it locks. Just start your stitching very slowly. And when you're done stitching, you have to bring this thing up. But we're done with this. So here are both the strings, they are done. Okay, first we are gonna stitch this part. We will just stitch it from here to here like this. Okay, this is done. Now we will stitch these parts. I want to make it more cleaner, so I will stitch these inside. Oh, just one thing is left, attaching these. It is done. This is our cute little headscarf. This is how it looks. I can wear it like this as well, like a bandana. This was the video for today, and let me know if you want to see other DIYs or any tips. I'll make it for you, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.